Good morning, Year 1. It's Miss Hocking here. It's Thursday, the 14th of January, and it's our last day on Addition to 10. And today we're looking to be able to apply the knowledge of number bonds that we've already got this week to solve our maths addition problems. So, first of all, then I want you to have a look at this question. Now, this isn't on your worksheet. Now you can see there's a boy here and there's a girl, and they have some cherries on their plate. Now this person over here has 3 cherries, and this person over here has 3 cherries. First of all, I want you to tell me what addition number sentence you can make from this picture. So use the story to make your own addition number sentence. Off you go. Pause the video now. Okay, welcome back. So you are going to complete these questions before we move on to the next section of the class, okay? So the first question is, how many ways can you put the cherries onto the plates? So imagine you took all of the cherries off. You might want to demonstrate this on 2 plates with some pieces of fruit or something, and then put them back onto the plates to find out how many different number sentences you can make. Show all of the different ways. You can draw some pictures, you can draw a tens frame, you can use a part whole, you can use a bead string, whatever you would like to do. Show how many ways you can demonstrate to put the cherries onto the different plates. Okay, so for the next section of our lesson, I would like you to have a look at the worksheet, and on the worksheet you've got this really interesting brain puzzler. Now it says write a number from 1 to 8 in each star. So you can see that some of the numbers 1 to 8 have already been used, so you can't use those numbers again. And in the middle you've got 9 here, and all of the number sentences need to add up to 9. So for instance, you can see here that 7 is in line with 2, and 7 add 2 equals 9. So you need to figure out what number is missing from here that's in line with the 5, what number should go over here that's in line with the 3, and which number needs to go over here. Then I want you to tell your talk partner how exactly you did it and how you know that you've got it right. Okay, pause and have a go at that now. Okay, so the next 2 sheets are quite easy, the second and third sheet. So this is the 4th sheet. So over here you've got a plate, and it says colour the cup which has the correct addition equation. Now equation is just another word for sentence or number sentence. So colour the cup which has the correct addition number sentence. So you're looking for a number sentence that adds up to number 5 over here. So let's have a look. Number 5. So we've got 3 add 3. Does 3 add 3 add up to number 5? Have a go if you're a bit unsure by using your tens frame and see if you can work it out. If you don't think that's correct, you can move on to the next number sentence to see if that is the one that matches. So this one says 4 add 2. Does 4 add 2 equal 5? Or if you think that's incorrect, you can have a look at this number sentence, and this one says 5 add 0. So you need to choose the correct number sentences for each of these numbers. You can pause and have a go at that now. And then for the last section of this sheet, it says use the numbers below to complete the addition equations. Again, you're just finding the right numbers for the number sentences. Now you've already been given 4 add something equals something, and you've been given 7 add something equals something. Now what I would do is make number cards for each of these numbers, 2, 6, 9 and 10, and wiggle them around on the table until you get the right number sentence. So for instance, if you've got 2 on a post-it note and you've got 10 on a post-it note, can you put your post-it notes next to 4 add post-it note that says 2 equals 10? Is that correct? Does 4 add 2 equal 10? Probably not, so you know that you need to start with you need to use some different numbers. Okay, and then the last section of this sheet is our self-check. We do this in our maths books normally, parents, and this is just for the children to look at their work throughout what they've been doing this week and just be really honest and tick here if they think that they can add by counting, which was the first lesson. tick if they think they can add by counting on, and so on and so on. They're just really self-evaluating how they've done this week and things that they found hard. We try to be really honest with ourselves when we do this, to make sure that we're not just ticking them all and saying, I am brilliant, I can do all of these things, yes, yes, yes. We don't want that. We want you to be really, really honest. And then if there's anything that the children do feel a bit unsure on, that's when we then scoop up those children and make sure that we've covered any misconceptions or any gaps in their learning. Okay, and then last but not least for today's lesson, I want you to have a go at either Numberbots or the robot addition game that you played yesterday. Have a go on that for at least 10 minutes and see how well you can get on, and I will check your scores on Numberbots, or let me know whether you managed to get them all right on your robot addition, or whether maybe you can try a little bit higher if you feel confident. Okay, have a lovely evening, everybody, and take care, and I will speak to you soon. Bye!